Hello my dear friends, in this episode I will be explaining you the difference between two sets. Both of them have 4-liter column, but they look differently. So here we have the boiler is 8-liter and the column, as I said, 4-liter. It has condenser, of course. The width of the column is 5-inch. Here we have 5-liter boiler with a column and extension. The both extension and column have the volume 2 liters. 2 liters, 2 liters, we get 4. The same as we have here. The difference is that this one has wooden handle here, this one doesn't have. But the height then, if we mount the extension and the column, it is very easy to do. We remove the column, mount the extension, silicone gasket, and put column on top. So, as we see, this steel is much more stable because the boiler is much wider. But if you put enough water in this boiler, it will be stable enough too. I would prefer surely working with this one rather than working with that one. Why? Because the width of the column. It has 5-inch. And it's much more easy to put the raw material into the column. Doesn't matter, dry or raw. If you have any other questions regarding difference between those two steels or other issues with extraction of essential oil at home, please contact our manager and we will be happy to guide you. Bye bye.